Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can export audio and video separately in CapCut. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. First, get your video and drag it onto the timeline. Now select the video and right-click on it. Once you right-click on it, this menu will load. So from here, just select the Extract Audio option, right here. Now in the upper row, you have your video alone, and in the bottom row, you have your audio. So now all you need to do is simply export it. And you do this by going to Export right here. And on this menu, just be sure that both video and audio is selected. So you need to see the blue check marks next to audio and video. From here, just simply click Export. So that's how you can export your video and audio separately in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.